Hey guys, welcome back. If you're tired of your mixer stopping halfway through grinding idli batter or dosa batter and making loud sounds, which is scary, and when you grind turmeric or you need a heavy duty upgrade of your mixer, so this video will help you out in choosing the best one. In this video, I'm showing you top 3 best 1000-watt mixer grinders that you can buy right now. So these are the beast of kitchen, designed for speed, power and zero interruptions. So for all the mixer grinders, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. Havells Hydro Plus 1000 watt. It's a powerful entry that looks stylish and handles heat well. It comes with a wide mouth jar design which makes cleaning super easy. The motor has a dual fan, so it runs longer without tripping the overload switch. The body is shockproof ABS plastic and the couplers are sturdy. It doesn't wobble much even at full speed. So users on the e-commerce websites have loved this mixer actually, especially its digital display, but honestly the main pro is the noise control. It is slightly quieter than the other 1000-watt mixers that are available today. However, the jar lids can feel a bit tight initially. Overall, it's a great modern kitchen tool. Preeti MG288. Preeti is a household name in India for a reason. This model is a pure muscle. It has a turbo vent technology that keeps the ingredients cool. This is crucial because if your mixer heats up, the taste of your chutney changes. This machine prevents that. Coming to its durability and safety, it comes with a tripod stand feet for stability. So you can grind the tough turmeric roots in seconds without holding the lid down. In realistic reviews we have seen online, they say the grinding quality is elite, super smooth, and the downside is it is loud, like wake up the neighbors, okay? Because 1000-watt mixers are like that only, they make more noise. Overall, it's the best choice for heavy traditional grinding. Bosch TrueMix Pro 1000 watt. This is the undisputed king of 1000-watt mixers. The stone pounding technology it has is great. It has blunt pounding plates that don't just cut the spices but pound them, giving you the texture of traditional stone mortar. It has a unique lid lock system that is hands-free for the hands-free operation. The suction feet are so strong you struggle to lift it after the use. It feels industrial grade. So many of the reviews consistently rate it 4.5 stars and users claim it makes the fluffiest idli batter. The only con is the premium price tag, but it's one-time investment for the next 10 years. So it's the ultimate heavy-duty mixer that you can buy. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.